As cesarean section rate is increasing worldwide, there are increasing queries from mothers with previous cesarean section regarding the risk of rupture of their scar during pregnancy, i.e., before the start of labor. There is very little written about this rare complication in the literature. We use the Medical Birth Registry of Norway from 1967 to 2008 in 41 years to estimate the prevalence of such risk. Among scarred uteri, we found 22 complete ruptures with a prevalence of 1.8 per 10,000 and 45 partial uterine ruptures or dehiscences with a prevalence of 3.7 per 10,000. Although complete ruptures were very rare, but they resulted in high perinatal mortality, around 39.1%, we believe this is because the ruptures occurred suddenly outside the hospitals, so when they reached the hospital, it was too late to save these babies. Complete ruptures were mostly outside the lower segment, like a classical vertical cesarean section, or myomectomy scar, or other scars from placenta accreta spectrum, especially after endometrial ablation, or previous uterine ruptures. Partial ruptures, which were non-catastrophic, were mostly in a scar in the lower uterine segment, which is commonly the cesarean section performed in modern obstetrics. So the question here, should we admit these mothers with high risk factors such as scars outside the lower segment earlier in pregnancy, like in the 3rd trimester or late in the 2nd trimester, depending on individual evaluation? The good news here is that mothers with lower segment cesarean section, which is the most common obstetric procedure in modern practice, have very little risk of catastrophic complete uterine rupture.